Fabric face masks are becoming the new normal and help to slow down the spread of bacteria and viruses. Many countries now require face coverings to be worn in shops and on public transport. But no need to rush out and buy one. You can easily make one at home with just a few pieces of material and some elastic tape. You will need 2 squares of fabric, 6.5 by 6.5 inches. The inner layer should be a more absorbent material and the outer layer can be more decorative. A long strip of binding material, 1.5 inches wide by 24 inches long. 2 7-inch strips of thin elastic tape, and a few wire twist ties to hold the shape around the nose. You'll also need scissors, sewing pins, and a needle and thread. While it is possible to hand stitch the mask, it'll be a whole lot easier if you have a sewing machine. First, iron all the fabric so that it's nice and flat. For the binding fabric, you'll want to fold it in half long ways and iron it to make a crease. Then open up this crease and fold the outside edges into the middle and iron it again. This will mean the strip of fabric is divided into 4 segments with the rough edges tucked into the middle. Next, pin the outer and inner layers of the mask together. Then, folding both layers together, make 3 even pleats, leaving about an inch of unpleated material at the top and at the bottom. The folded material should now be 4 inches by 6.5 inches. Take 4 inches of your binding tape and tuck the side of the mask right in so that no rough edges are showing. Sew along the binding tape, making sure that the needle goes through both the inner and outer layers as you sew across the pleats. This should make a nice, neat hem. Do the same for the other side and for the bottom edge. For the top edge, sew a few of the wire bag ties into the middle of the binding tape. These will make it easier to shape the mask around your nose. Finally, for the ear loops, machine or hand sew the elastic tape onto the corners of the mask. And there you have it, a homemade fabric mask.